kitchen. Hi kids! Do you want to see what cool things are in the kitchen? Refrigerator. Food is kept fresh in the refrigerator. Wow! The fridge is full of food. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Oven. Mom bakes delicious treats in the oven. Yay! Cookies from the oven. 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 Microwave. We heat food in the microwave. Oh, the microwave is fast. Microwave. Microwave. Sink. I wash my hands in the sink. Look, the sink is shiny. Sink. Sink. Cupboard. Plates are stored in the cupboard.
Wow!
There are so many plates. Cupboard. Cupboard. Pot. I cook soup in the pot. The pot is boiling on the stove. Pot. Pot. Blender. The blender is great for mixing ingredients. I use a blender to make smoothies. Blender. Blender. It was fun discovering the kitchen with you. See you next time.
Playground. What can you do in a playground? I love swinging high in the sky. Wow, it's fun to swing high.